A backside cork 540 is an off-axis backside spin. On a trampoline and training board, practice throwing your lead arm and shoulder downward toward your rear foot. Jumping up and into the same direction that you throw your lead arm is the key to rotating back to your feet properly. It's essential that you're comfortable with backside 540s before attempting to cork them out. It also helps to have experience with wildcats or other inverts before trying to combine an invert with a spin. When you're ready to try this trick on snow, approach the takeoff with about the same entry path as you would for a back five. Bend both legs and keep your weight stacked over top of your board. Wind your shoulders up slightly and keep your lead hand high. As you ride up the jump, slowly begin to lean back, matching the angle of your upper body with the angle of the lip, and putting a little more pressure over your back leg and tail. Throw your lead arm and shoulder down in the direction of your back foot as you initiate the 540. Pop up from your toe edge and follow the momentum of your initiating arm with your upper body. After you initiate and the rotation starts to come around, you will be looking backward to the direction of travel. Spot the landing underneath you like you would on a backside 540 and pull your lead arm around towards your toe edge. Keeping both hands near your toe edge on landing will help you dig in and stop your momentum. As you become comfortable with your initiation, you can play with your pop and change your axis. The more you combine a downwards motion with your lead shoulder into the initiation of your spin, the more off-axis you will be in the air. Our goal is to improve your riding.